Here's an explanation of the difference between essential and non-essential documents. Essential documents. Essential documents are the core documents that are critical for the conduct of a clinical trial. These documents provide the necessary information to demonstrate the compliance of the investigator, sponsor, and the study with good clinical practice, GCP, guidelines and regulatory requirements. Essential documents are typically retained by the sponsor or principal investigator for the duration of the study and may be subject to regulatory inspection. Examples of essential documents include: 1. Investigator's brochure provides essential information on the investigational products being studied. 2. Informed consent forms, ICFs, documents signed by participants to indicate their voluntary participation and understanding of the study. 3. Case report forms, CRFs, capture participant data during the study. 4. Protocol and amendments, outline the objectives, design, methodology, and conduct of the clinical trial. 5. Study-related correspondence, communication between the sponsor, investigator, ethics committee, and regulatory authorities. Non-essential documents. Non-essential documents, also known as supporting or ancillary documents, are not considered critical for the conduct of the clinical trial. They may provide additional context, clarification, or administrative details but are not mandatory for compliance with GCP or regulatory requirements. Non-essential documents can include: 1. Study-related correspondence that is not critical for essential document retention. 2. Training materials and certificates for study staff. 3. Advertisements and recruitment materials. 4. Site-specific standard operating procedures, SOPs. 5. Investigational product shipment records. It's important to note that while non-essential documents may not be considered mandatory, they still contribute to the overall documentation and organization of a clinical trial. Additionally, it's good practice to maintain proper records of both essential and non-essential documents for transparency, traceability, and reference purposes. Remember that specific document requirements can vary depending on the regulatory authorities, study protocols, and institutional policies. Therefore, it's essential to consult the applicable regulations and guidelines relevant to your specific clinical trial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot. Stay tuned for more exciting content.